What's up, everybody? It's Gail P, Gail's Life Journey, and today we're going to talk about a shirt that I wanted. So originally I purchased these shirts. I want to say I may have gotten them from either H&M or Zara in Texas. It's like it's a sleeveless kind of summer top, and I wanted it in white. So what you're gonna see today in the video is how I created this. And I was trying to do it in an hour, but I went over. But I ended up making this shirt, and I'll put it on here. I got makeup on it because I tried it on, but please look past that. I have to wash it. But I actually was able to make it. Now, when I put it on, what I discovered was it was a little blousy here. So I'm going to take it up under the arms on both sides so that it's not like flapping on the side and it fits a little tighter. But for the most part, I just sewed it up without like trying it on, which is what you're really supposed to do. But I didn't do that, and so when I put it on, I realized that I need to take up a little bit more on the side just so it fits better underneath the arm. But for the most part, it fits perfectly fine, and I like it. And I'll drop in the outfit I'm trying to mimic right over there, and then watch the video. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys are having a great day. Sorry, I'm not looking to the lens. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching my video, and I don't know if I'll make another one today, so it might be just this one, but I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Peace and light. Oh, like and subscribe. Alright, my people. So I'm going to try to make this shirt in 1 hour. It's got 2 pieces. It's got the front with a little turtleneck, and then the back with the same piece. Alright, so I'm going to try to do this in the hour. It is 8:26. I'm going to see how I do. Alright, in order to do this, I'm making my pattern out of a grocery bag. I'm gonna need some chalk, some pins, and some scissors. Okay, so now all the edges are serged to keep the threads from falling apart. So now we just have to sew the front to the back. Sew this down, sew that down, sew the edges together over here. Alright, so I didn't finish in an hour, but I did finish at 9:33. And this is the shirt. I finished cutting all the little scraps off of it. So this is the shirt. Exactly what I wanted. There it is. It's all sewed together. All the little strings hanging on. Otherwise, it is complete. Come back for my next challenge.